In front of me is Motorola Razr 70 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage. First of all, you need to find Google folder that's already on your Motorola, and from it select Files app. When you're ready, click on those three lines at the top left corner, and then select Clean section. So click. Now tap on Clean under Junk Files and Clear in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, storage of my Motorola was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!